What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the channel. My name is Dev, aka Debbie Debonair, and this is the Debonair Lifestyle. In today's video, we're going to be doing a review on the BoxRaw Hagler Sauna Suit 2.0. So before we get into the review, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button, but most importantly, hit that subscribe button. It'll mean a lot to the channel as far as helping it to grow and getting this review out to more people who are thinking about buying this product. Let me tell you about what actually comes inside of the packaging. So first off, you get an actual card from the CEO of the BoxRaw company. He gives you a little message. This telling you to let's fucking go. And off rip, I like that type of motivation because I'm trying to get into the best shape of my life, and I'm hoping this sauna suit helps me achieve that goal. Then from there you get a sticker with the BoxRaw logo, and the most important thing that we receive is the actual outfit, which comes with a top and bottom sauna suit. So as y'all can see, here goes the actual outfit. Right here is pretty comfortable. It feels very durable, which is something I really wanted. The quality does feel amazing. It looks like just a regular sweatsuit, which is something I like. It also comes right here where you can snap it on the wrist, tighten it around the arms. That way you can hold inside the sweat that's going to be built up inside the sauna suit while you're out here exercising and trying to burn off this extra water weight. So my biggest reason for picking up this sauna suit is because I've picked up sauna suits in the past and the quality hasn't been that great. Anytime I go out for a run or do any type of exercise, normally the pants will rip. And so far, these pants feel great. They feel durable enough to where I can move around and I don't have to worry about them ripping on me. Even the top portion of the sauna suit feels great. I can stretch in it, I can move around in it, and I don't have to worry about it ripping anywhere. So far so good, but enough of the talking. I'm about to do a 3-mile run, and I'll let you know my final results at the end. Alright, so after using the BoxRaw 2.0 sauna suit for quite some time now, I'll give you my pros and cons on what I think about the sauna suit. Off rip, I do like it a lot. I'm very happy with it. I'm glad I made the purchase, so I'll start off there. But a list of pros for me is probably the durability. Compared to other sauna suits I've used in the past, this one is probably the best I've ever used. I got a chance to run a full 3-mile run and I didn't have a problem at all. My pants didn't rip, my upper half didn't rip, everything was still intact, and that surprised me because I've used other sauna suits and they just ripped immediately. Like the top portion will still be okay to use, but the pants ripped, and it used to make me mad to have this big hole going down my leg, and there was nothing I could do about it. I should say this part for the cons, but I'll just say it now. The top upper half part does scare me, especially with trying to take it off. After a long workout, you know, your body is sweaty and everything, so just trying to remove the top portion, it's a real struggle to do, and I get real nervous that it's gonna rip. But I will say be aware of that part. And to throw it out there, I am 6'3", I'm 225 pounds. I'm not like a real heavy set dude, I'm more, I guess, muscular, if you will, and I ordered a large. So hopefully that helps you making your decision on what size to purchase. Another thing I like about the sauna suit is the variety of pockets it gives you. Starting around the waist area, like the pouch area, you can throw your phone or your keys in there and you don't even notice it while running. It's not like just bouncing up and down, being a distraction to you. You can have a smooth run without feeling like you have to carry your phone in your hand. A few other things I like about the BoxRaw Sauna Suit is a variety of colors that they offer. So if you go on the website, you can get your black version, a navy blue, a green, and even a red. Also included with the packaging is like these collectible trading cards. Pretty much give you information about Marvin Hagler, the boxer. It comes with 4 cards. One is like a bio about Marvin Hagler, cards like containing his weight, height, his record, and even just some information about him. The other one is a quote from him. Another one is a card about BoxRaw and their mission statement. Then another one is about the instructions on how to take care of your sauna suit. So I thought that was pretty cool to include with the packaging, especially since Marvin Hagler passed away a few years ago. So I'm glad they stuck with him, and of course my condolences to him and his family and anybody who was a fan of his. He was way before my time. I'm kind of young, so I really wasn't that hip to him. But I have watched a few of his highlights and he was an amazing boxer. Alright, so that was a few of my pros, so let's talk about the cons. So probably the biggest one for me is the price. The starting asking price for this sauna suit is $120 US. Now for some that might not be much, but for me, it felt a little pricey. Do I think it's worth it? Kinda, because I look at this like an investment piece. I do plan on using this sauna suit a lot, not every day, but it will be a part of my workout regimen once or maybe even twice a week. So I look at it more of an investment piece, more than just like, of course, an everyday wear. But asking $120 for a sauna suit is kinda crazy. Now, if you're able to come across a discount code, please use it. I don't have one. And I've also seen around Black Friday, they do offer a huge discount code that I would take advantage of if you see this review around Black Friday. Another con that I had with this sauna suit is probably the tightness around the neck. Granted, it is meant to trap in all the body heat in order for you to sweat out the extra water weight and whatever, but it's very tight. And my last con is probably washing. I wouldn't recommend to wash this in a normal washer and dryer. I would probably go with a more hand washing method because you are taking a chance if you wash your sauna suit. Because going back to like the cards I showed you earlier that comes inside like that little mini packaging, it does say you can machine wash, but it says at 30. But honestly, I would avoid that altogether and not even risk it. But in conclusion, to my pros and cons, do I recommend this item? And the answer is yes. Even with the price being intimidating, like I said, I look at this as an investment piece because after using the sauna suit for the first time, I did see some change. I did come down a few pounds. It wasn't nothing major, but I know keeping this in my repertoire, I will be seeing the results that I'm after. So that's been my full review for the BoxRaw Sauna Suit 2.0. The Marvin Hagler Edition. If you like this, please leave it a thumbs up, but more importantly, please subscribe to the channel. I hope this review helps you on your decision on purchasing this sauna suit, and I hope that you get the results that you're going for. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment sections below and I'll try my best to answer them. And if you use this product already, then let me know your thoughts on it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.